set the table like you're coming home. One fork, one plate, one heart alone. I play the songs that you once loved, but silence is louder than both of us. Every picture on the shelf feels like someone else. I'm losing who I am without you. There's an empty seat beside me where your laughter used to be, and I'm choking on the memories that won't let me breathe. You were all I ever wanted. Now I'm haunted every week by the shadow that reminds me of your empty seat. I see your sweater hanging by the door, still pretending you're walking once more, but time keeps pulling me apart from the pieces of your fading heart. If I could turn the world around, I'd bring you back somehow, but love doesn't work that way. It just walks out. There's an empty seat beside me, and I guess they'll